Welcome back, friends. So we have the NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang in Mumbai today, and he had a good meeting with many of the top CEOs and a good discussion session with Mukesh Ambani at the Geo Convention Center. NVIDIA, incidentally, has announced a slew of partnerships with major Indian firms and has even launched a Hindi language model as the company looks to ramp up business in one of the world's biggest technology markets. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has spoken about the firm's tech and efforts in India at its AI summit in Mumbai, an event that featured Bollywood superstar Akshay Kumar and India's Mukesh Ambani. Amidst the flurry of partnerships announced on the occasion was, of course, a deal between Reliance and NVIDIA to build AI infrastructure in India. Huang said that NVIDIA is working with companies including Tata Telecommunications, to also build computing infrastructure. Huang said that by the end of the year, India will have 20 times more compute than just over a year ago, referring to the country's computing power. India used to be a country that produced software. India exported software. In the future, India is going to export AI. That's something which is there in everybody's mind today. NVIDIA also announced Nemetron 4 Mini Hindi 4B. It is a small language model in Hindi, which is the widest spoken of the India's multitude of languages. Companies running NVIDIA hardware can deploy this language model, while Indian IT consultancy Tech Mahindra is using NVIDIA's model to launch its own Hindi AI model, Project Indus 2.0. Small language models are trained on much more compact and specific datasets compared to large language models such as OpenAI's GPT-4. NVIDIA is also collaborating with other major Indian IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS to train around 500,000 developers in creating and implementing AI agents with its software. NVIDIA's ramp up in India takes place as the company looks to find new regions to boost its business, while the breakneck speed growth it has experienced over the last year and a half begins to slow down. In India, PM Narendra Modi has been looking to lure in major foreign technology companies, particularly the semiconductor industry, to increase investment in the country. India aims to establish itself as a major player in the semiconductor industry as it strives for self-sufficiency in manufacturing. Narendra Modi has outlined various objectives to advance the semiconductor sector, setting a significant target to grow the country's electronics industry from its current value of around $155 billion to $500 billion by 2030. Ambani's presence at the NVIDIA event also highlighted his conglomerate's ambition to become a leading AI player in India. Reliance Jio, the telecommunications firm under Ambani's Reliance Industries and an upstart less than a decade ago, is now India's biggest mobile provider. Jio aims to build a large-scale AI infrastructure to democratize AI, leveraging data emanating from almost 1 billion internet users in the next few years. With this planned investments and scale, Jio aims to be the flag bearer of proliferating AI adoption from consumers to enterprises to government. Now, friends, that's the situation as far as NVIDIA are concerned today. Artificial intelligence can also be employed to give you the best predictions about places to invest, whether it can do about the movement of the markets, about where the markets are headed, like the type of things that are very much useful to an ordinary investor. and an institutional investor alike is something that time will tell. We employ AI tools in some ways to give you the state-of-the-art investing infrastructure. Yet I believe we are far away as a world as a whole in terms of leaving it to AI tools to be able to give you those predictive models. It's far, far away. Reason being that what you give to AI, what you train it, is what you will get in return, right? So, and that science itself is so complex. It has taken us so many years to teach a machine, to train it to be able to return and give you back in return is going to take a lot of time. And it also depends on how much you can monetize that model. But yes, we effectively use AI in many of our applications even today to predict the markets, to predict what's coming next. We do that all the time. But a complete determination around AI is still a little far away, but we definitely employ it in our day-to-day work and applications. To get to know about where the markets are headed from here, do join our premium value, which gives you a 1-week predictions of the market. You can alternatively also join the daily predictions package, gives you a daily view of the markets. For both, you can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. And you can be a beneficiary of our knowledge, which includes powerful AI-backed predictive models about the markets, about the economy, and about where your stocks and investments are headed from here. Happy investing. Jai Mata Di to you all. Don't forget to get in touch with us and WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.